FME's Payment Restrictions Pro Features video. Let's highlight the key features. The extension lets you limit payment options based on shipping carrier and methods, customer groups, cart, customer and product attributes, billing and shipping info, and many other flexible conditions. Let's start with how you can create payment restriction rules with the extension. Go to the backend and navigate to the FME Extensions and click on Manage Restriction Rules. Here, you can find all the rules we have created in a grid. You can create a new rule by clicking on the Add Rule button on the top right of the page, or edit the rules we have created to get a better idea of how the extension works. Let's edit the Restrict PayPal if subtotal is equal to or more than 200 rule to give you a better idea about the extension. Here, you can first configure Restrict Payment Method Details. Provide a name for the rule that will be used in the admin area. You can then enable or disable the rule here. Next is the Payment Methods field, where you can select the payment methods you would like to block. Here, we have selected all of the PayPal options to be restricted. After you've selected the payment methods, you can select Store Views, where this rule will be applied. You can set the priority of the rule. If the value in this field is 0, the priority will be low, and if 1, the priority will be high. Finally, at Apply Operation As, you can set operation to AND if you want all selected options in the next sections to fulfill in order to apply the restriction. Select OR if any of the selected options should fulfill to apply restriction. Next step in the rule is to provide the conditions as when the rule should be active. You can select from the conditions that we are highlighting here. Here we have selected a subtotal in cart attributes to hide PayPal when cart total is greater than or equal to 200. You have the option to select multiple conditions for a single rule. Now, on the next step, you can select the customer groups on which this rule is to be applied on. You can also restrict payment methods by selecting individual customers on your site. Now, the extension allows you to restrict payment methods by billing address. Provide the address information and specify the amount on which the restriction will be applied. Next, you can select coupon code or catalog rules that you can allow or disallow for this restriction rule. Finally, the extension allows you to set a date or time when the rule will be applied. Leaving this blank will keep this rule enabled for as long as you prefer. Let's go to the front-end demo to see this rule in action. As you can see in the Payments section, the PayPal options are not available. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment here or find the product page link in the description to learn more about the product.